got all the wheels off, make our lives a little easier, and we're rotating them. So these bolts definitely ain't coming out, so we're gonna cut them right there. And then going back, we're gonna take this cross member out. Those don't look too bad. And then if you keep following the exhaust back, it goes and it loops around this upper like control arm or part of the frame. And what we're gonna do is keep going back. We're gonna cut it right where it comes out the muffler, up here. So we're hoping to drop that end down and then slip it all up front and then separate the muffler from that. So this we found is the worst part, getting this tube up around this like control arm, all this mess. Basically what we did is we slipped it up through this way. So if this is the back, this is toward the front, slip it up through there, and then the hanger that's sticking out, we just used a hammer and tapped it back and forth, and now we got the hanger in. We're gonna hang up the pipes in the back. So we got this. We're gonna put like a bead in or like around the outside of this edge, so then it slips on. Make sure we have no leaks, and then clamp it.
Scared. I don't know which one is which. If it twists to the left, that means it's coming off, right?
Yeah.